Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a very long time since I've seen you guys, but it's really only been like a week. I feel like my sense of time is just all kinds of screwed up right now. For those of you that don't know, oh my gosh, sorry, my computer volume is on. For those of you that don't know, I am in a musical right now, and tonight is opening night, and I'm just full of excitement, but I'm also really excited because this is the first day that I've really been able to spend at home in like a week because I went straight from house sitting to going into tech week, which when I'm working during the day, which I have been for the past few days, I don't get to spend I barely get to spend any time here. So I have no plans today until I have to go in for opening night. I'm so excited, and I'm happy that I'm filming again because I feel like it's been a little while. So anyway, to the point of today's video, today is going to be the second episode of my trying out Pinterest makeup tutorials. I would have done this probably a little later into the month, but the next few videos that I have planned that I wanted to do like right now, I can't do right now because that makeup is over at the performance area. It's kind of in a little box that I'm keeping there for all of my shows. So can't really do anything with that right now. So I figured I would go ahead and do this for you guys because the makeup that I need for it is already here. So I'm going to be doing another one with the Jaclyn Hill palette again because that's the one that's currently coming up most often on my Pinterest right now. But I haven't actually picked it out, so we're going to pick it out together right now. There's so many fun ones. I'm trying to decide, I feel like I kind of want to go more neutral because then this is gonna sound really weird, but I'll feel less guilty about taking off a semi-natural or neutral eye makeup look tonight when I go to like redo myself, than if I were to take off a colorful look. So I kind of want to keep it neutral, but at the same time, that's like 95% of what I do with this palette. So it's like, kind of want to get out of my comfort zone a little bit. There's so many good ones. I kind of really like this one though. It's a red toned one with a little bit of brown in there. I kind of really like it. I think we're gonna do this one. So this one, hello, come back. So all it says is that it's from Instagram. So let me go to that and see. Okay, so the artist is Daniel Barbier. Daniel? I think it's Daniel. Or maybe Danielle. So yeah, this is what the makeup look looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and try and recreate this. Whew, kind of nervous. I don't know. I still feel like one of these is gonna get completely butchered at some point. Oh, okay, so I'm actually going to use the mirror from my Makeover Essentials Classic 10 palette that you guys saw in my Makeup I Forgot About video, because has a pretty decent mirror in it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and be using that. So if you see me like holding up this guy, you know why. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go in and prime my eyes first with the NARS eyeshadow base. You guys have seen me do that a million times. I don't even need a mirror for that, so that's good. Okay, so we're going to go in with the original Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. Alright, and the colors that they use are Butter, Hunt, Firework, and Soda Pop. So it's only 4 colors again, but I'm probably going to do like an inner corner brow bone highlight as well with, and light. Yeah, alright, so I'm going to go in my big fluffy brush here like I always do, and I'm going to go and take Butter, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. Yeah, alright. Guys, I'm really nervous for this. This appears to be like the transition shade and blending color. So I'm just going to go in with a pretty light hand, but I'm probably going to build it up, and then I might go back in with this color later to kind of blend out. It also looks like they made this cat eye shaped again. So I'm going to have to extend it out a little bit more than I normally would. And I'm going to do what I did last time where I'm only going to do it on one eye and then I'll do the other eye off camera for you guys to save some time that way. Okay, so then it looks like they go in with Hunts. Yeah, Hunts? Yeah. And they go in kind of right below that. More like concentrated in the crease. So I'm going to go in with a bit more pressure and a bit more concentrated color. I'm just going to go right into my crease. I'm going to focus on the outer corner and then slowly blend inward because I want most of the color to be on the outer half. I already feel like I've lost my transition shade. That's fun. I also already feel like this is high. Oh, this is so much higher than where I want it to be. Okay, we're fine. Everything's cool. It'll work out in the end, right? Right. Also, sorry if my hair is looking a little whack with being styled for the past few days. It's clean, but it's a little rough looking. Not a whole lot else I can do with that right now. Actually, super quickly, I'm actually going to go and grab some tape, and I'm going to put my tape on the outer corner of my eye to help me form the cat eye shape a little bit. Probably should have done this first. Oh well. Okay. And I did put it on both eyes, even though I'm only doing the one right now. This feels really weird. I haven't done this trick in so long. Oh my goodness. This is weird. I remember now why I never liked doing this. But it allows for a pretty clean application. So I'm not gonna hate on it too bad. Okay. Again, I think it's higher than where I want it to be, but I probably have more round eyes than this person does. So, you know, it is what it is. So now we're going to go in with the color Soda Pop, which was the dark brown, and I'm going to put that as a halo eye type effect, and it's going to go on the outer half and my inner corner, it looks like. So I'm going to grab this brush right here from Luxie. This is a Luxie 245 small shader. I'm going to go ahead and do that and just try as much as I can to get a halo eye without using my concealer. Oh my gosh, look at that wing shape, y'all. And I'm only going like 2/3 of the way in. I still want to leave a good amount of eye space to be able to put the fourth color, because that goes in the center of my lid. I am only doing the one eye right now. I definitely just tried to go and do the second eye. I'm going to go in as precisely as possible because it doesn't go like to the inner corner like where you would normally put highlight. It's just on like the inner third of the lid. So I'm trying to angle myself so you guys can see. Okay, this looks pretty cool so far, not gonna lie. I'm into it. See, that's what I really like about the series, that it gets me doing looks that I wouldn't normally do for myself. There we go. I don't know, what about you? I think that looks pretty cool. I'm into it. Okay, so now it looks like I'm going to take the fourth color, which is Firework, which is like a sparkly, bronzy toned red, and I'm going to put that on the bare spot of my lid, aka the center of my lid. I'm just going to do that with my finger, because then I'm going to go back with this brush and blend it in. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Soda Pop, and I'm just going to kind of blend everything together. And then I'm actually also going to go back in with my fluffy brush, and I'm going to put a combination of Hunts and Butter, and I'm just going to blend out my crease a little bit. And I'm going to go in with a very light hand. Okay, so this is what we have. I think I need to put, I definitely need to put more brown, 100%, because it's supposed to be a very concentrated color. More brown, more brown. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to take the tape off and we'll see what it looks like. Yes, clean lines. Yeah. So you can kind of see it there other than the oil on my skin, but there actually is some color and some pigment on this tape that it caught. So that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and go and do the other eye off camera, and I will catch back up with you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I finished the other eye and we are all caught up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in on the lower lash line, and it looks like she puts a little bit of Hunt on the outer corner and then blends that in and goes a little bit further with Soda Pop. So I'm going to take my angled eyeliner brush and I'm going to go bleh, bleh, bleh. I'm going to go in with Hunt and I'm going to go in on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Okay, so I have that on there. You can kind of see it. Now I'm going to go in with Soda Pop and I'm going to blend that in. And I'm definitely going to bring that up to meet that quote-unquote eyeliner that I did right there. Because in the picture, those two things are very well blended together. So I'm going to bring that up to meet the outer corner of my eye, which will also help blend out that harsh line that the tape left, as if I kind of bring it up to meet that a little bit. Now I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and blend that out. And I'm going to take my Vasanti brush that looks like this. I'm also just going to blend out that edge there, like I said before. Make the tape line a little less harsh. Alright, I'm not mad at it, y'all. Okay, so it looks like in the photo she might have false lashes. Well, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm actually going to go in with the color in Light from the palette. I'm just going to put that on my brow bone and inner corner as a highlight. I'm going to be doing that with my, if I can find it. Oh, guess that one's it. Oh, here we go. The other end of that double-ended brush that I like to use all the time, I'm going to be using that. And I'm just going to go in, like I said, underneath the brow bone or on the brow bone and the inner corner. I really like the way that looks because it offers a stark contrast between the dark that's in the inner corner as well. And we like stark contrast. Alright, cool. So now I'm going to go ahead and close that up and do my lashes. It also looks like she has some black eyeliner on the waterline. Do I have a black eyeliner I can use? I have this guy, and this is the Palladio Pure Black eyeliner. It has a fair amount left into it. So we'll go ahead and use that and put that on the waterline. And tight line too, because why not? Cool. I remember now why I stopped using it. It didn't have a lot of pigment to it. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to go in with lashes, and I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Snapscara and my Tarte Light Camera Lashes mascara. And I actually don't have my eyelash curlers with me today, so we're just going to go in and hope for the best. And I'm going to go in with Snapscara first, and then top that with Lights Camera Lashes. I'm also going to go in with Snapscara on the bottom, but not the Tarte mascara. Okay, so that is the finished eye look. So now I'm just going to go in. There's nothing in here, like before, there's nothing in here about lips, blush, anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my own stuff. And so I'm going to take the NYX Powder Blush in the color Pinch. I'm just going to put a very tiny amount of that on my cheeks. And right now I'm using the Firma 103, which is actually an angled contour brush. But it's all I got right now, so. And I'm going in with light amount, like a very light amount of this, because this is a very pigmented blush. So I don't need a lot. Plus I already have pretty naturally rosy cheeks, so I don't need a lot of blush. And then I'm going to go in with my Rach Loves Pixie Layers Highlighting Palette. I think I'm going to go in with the color Clutch, which is a little more silver toned as opposed to gold toned. I'm going to put that on my cheekbones, or my, tops of my cheeks. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and blend that in a little bit with this brush right here. This is the Luxie, oh my gosh, it's so dark, 1010 Small Contour. Yeah, it's the small contour brush. And then last but not least, we're going to go ahead and choose a lip color. So I think I'm going to first of all put my makeup away. I'm going to put a little bit more lip balm on because my lips are starting to dry out a little bit. So I'm going to use just the Carmex lip balm. And I think I'm going to use ColourPop Stud, because I'm feeling like a vampy lip to go with a vampy eye, you know. And then I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill lipstick in Ambition. And put a little bit of ColourPop Sure Thing, which is one of their cream lippy sticks. Put that right in the center. And there you have it. That is the finished look. I think the eye makeup turned out pretty okay. Not gonna lie. I think it ended up a lot higher on my lid than I wanted it to be. But it still looks pretty cool, and I'm definitely not mad at it. So, yeah. I think that was a pretty successful Pinterest makeup look part 2. I don't know about you guys. If you have any makeup looks that you want me to try out, please send them to me over Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, any of those, and I will definitely look into doing them. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. This was a lot of fun for me because, like I said before, it gets me kind of out of my comfort zone and doing things I wouldn't normally do. So I really like doing that, and of course, I love playing with makeup. So I hope that you all enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone!